Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and check it out. This is a Realtor selfie from the bathroom. I think you're really going to enjoy a Realtor selfie holding a Keurig, as a matter of fact. And I think you're going to find this incredibly helpful as a real estate agent, because what I found is an awful lot of agents struggle with thinking that they have to have really good videos or really good topics to talk to all of their people online. I want to give you 7 things, and you want to grab a notepad here. I want to give you 7 things you can talk about on your Facebook Lives that will absolutely get you lots of buyers and sellers. And I'm going to give them to you right now, and then I'm going to explain what we're doing here. I think you'll find it incredibly helpful. By the way, if you're not selling enough houses, you need to go to getfastclosings.com and watch that quick video there. You'll see about a 40-minute training that will help you in selling a lot more houses. But the 7 topics you can talk about, if you do a Facebook Live today, just like the one I'm doing, I don't know if you have a Keurig or not, but you can do one exactly like I'm doing here, and there's 7 important real estate topics that buyers and sellers are absolutely loving right now. Let me tell you what they are. Number 1, I got them written down here over where the toothpaste is all over my mirror. How to buy a home with little or no down payment. Number 2, the best time of year to sell your house. Number 3, should I list my home first or shop for my next home? Number 4, things you must know about new construction in our area. Number 5, considering downsizing, here's what you need to know. Number 6, is there really a difference between realtors and what they provide? And number 7, what should I do if I owe more on my home than it's worth and I actually want to move? Now, let me tell you why we're doing all this here. See, a lot of agents get freaked out about how perfect their ads need to be, how perfect their video needs to be. I'm doing it in my bathroom, and I'm holding a freaking Keurig. Why? Because it's the weirdest thing I could come up with to show you that people will love exactly what you're doing if you have good quality content. You as a realtor have to get your message out to the public. We have agents making tons and tons of money right now, and they're not worried about how they look on camera. You remember the best video I've ever had is my bathrobe chronicles. I did a video in a bathrobe, and everybody's like, holy crap, you're just being yourself. That's absolutely awesome. Tell me your thoughts about this. Do you agree that if your content is really good, nobody gives a shit what it looks like, or that you look old or you look fat or anything else? Let me know in the comments what you think about that. If you find this helpful, by the way, if you can find it inspirational to know that thousands of people are going to view this here, and it doesn't matter what you look like. Look, there's a plunger over there by the toilet. Look, oh my gosh, what if that's in the video? Nobody cares about that if your stuff is good. You gotta get out there, you gotta start doing some lives, and you gotta realize how profitable it can be for you if buyers and sellers know who you are and what you offer. It will make a tremendous difference for you. I'm going above and beyond to show you how easy this stuff is here, but you have to be able to do it yourself as well. Do it once, watch how well people start following you, they love what you do, and you pick up a lot of buyers and sellers that way. You don't have to stand in your mirror, you don't have to hold a Keurig. This damn thing is heavy, by the way. I think it's still got water in it. But I want you to realize video doesn't matter. Content is what matters. I'm here to help you with growing your business. Let me know how I can do that. How do I get over to this finish button here? Check out getfastclosings.com. Let's start selling some houses. Stop messing around trying to be perfect. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Let's get out and start selling some houses. Go to getfastclosings.com and we'll talk there. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you, because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below, because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.